But at that moment, Hinata comes out. She's like, Naruto, I'll go too. I can't just stay still. Guys, I haven't reached the end of this chapter yet, but I hope she also goes. I hope she goes. I mean, she has been irrelevant for such a long time. Hinata is probably my biggest disappointment for the entirety of the Boruto series. Some people say that it is Rock Lee, some people say that it is Kakashi, some people be like Shino, but no, they are all still having some of the rules, but it is Hinata who is absolutely, rendered down useless. And again, I'm not saying that it's a problem for her to be just a housewife. That is not the thing. It's that she's been irrelevant in the overall story. Not even the anime has given us something to do. So I hope that this is the moment for Hinata to shine a little bit. She doesn't need to defeat Code. She doesn't need to defeat Ada. She doesn't need to defeat anyone, but just rather be relevant in the story. Just that's what I'm asking. I'm not asking for a lot of things. I'm just asking her to be a little relevant for the overall story. Just maybe her being like in her, usual self, not usual self, but like an homage to her prior self, where she tried to jump in front of Pain to save Naruto. I just hope that her motherly instincts kick in this time, and maybe she tries to save Boruto and shows us what she's actually made up of, because after all, she is the Byakugan princess. She's not someone weak, mind you. She's not a weak character. She's a really strong character. So I just hope that her role is utilized a little better in the Boruto series. Just that's what I'm asking for. I'm not asking her to be the Otsutsuki Slayer. That's beyond the point. But just trying to save Boruto. Just go out there. Just do something relevant. Just that's it. And poor Himawari, she's like, Mama, Papa. She's just obviously not taking this well. But Naruto says that no way, think of Himawari, what if something happens to you, please stay here. Shikamaru is like, I know how you feel, but please don't insist, Hinata. Listen to Naruto for my sake, if nothing else. Okay, I think that Hinata is not going to go right at this moment, but maybe she will jump in later on. Maybe she'll help tracking Boruto and the other characters later on, especially because of her utilization of the Byakugan. Because at least, if anything in the Boruto series, the Byakugan has got back some of its relevance. That's good. Yeah, my wish wasn't granted. She doesn't go into the battle as of yet, but I still have a feeling that she might be utilized later on in this arc, maybe to provide some form of, emotional turmoil for Boruto. I can't see her getting killed as of yet. That would be too much. She hasn't been relevant in the story so far to be, just directly killed. That wouldn't make any sense whatsoever. That would be pretty lame. Had she been important, maybe at least in the last 5 to 6 chapters, and then she was killed, I feel like that would have been at least better. But for now, her death would be totally meaningless. It would not have any major consequences because she has not been built up. But she can still provide an emotional support, an emotional turmoil, a motivational point, a turning point for the character of Boruto if eventually something happens, especially around the turning of the time scale.